Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a product designed specifically for men, so I had my husband help me with this one to give you the most accurate insights. We're taking a close look at the Braun Series 7 360 Flex Head Electric Razor. This is a foil shaver with a flexible head that promises a smooth shave even in tricky areas. And it comes with a precision beard trimmer, rechargeable battery, and a travel case. Right out of the box, the razor feels solid and thoughtfully designed. The main feature is its 360-degree flex head, which adapts to contours for a closer, more even shave. The AutoSense technology automatically adjusts the power depending on beard density, so theoretically it should handle both light stubble and thicker growth efficiently. The Li-ion battery claims up to 50 minutes of shaving on a full charge, and if you're in a rush, a 5-minute quick charge provides a single shave. Plus, it's fully waterproof, so wet or dry shaving is an option. Testing it over several days, my husband found the razor very comfortable to use. The head moves smoothly around the jawline and chin, and the AutoSense feature noticeably adapts when tackling denser patches. The foil does a good job of cutting close without irritating the skin, which is always a concern for sensitive areas. The precision trimmer attachment is handy for shaping sideburns or trimming around the neckline. One minor point is that it's slightly heavier than some other models, but it feels balanced in the hand. So, what really stands out is the combination of flexibility, smart power adjustment, and waterproof design. On the flip side, the price is higher than some standard electric shavers, and for men who only shave lightly or infrequently, this might be more than necessary. Considering value for money, if you're looking for a high-performance shaver that can handle daily use, dense beard growth, and wet or dry conditions, it's justified. Comparatively, cheaper alternatives exist, but few offer the same adaptability and precision technology in a fully waterproof design. The build quality is robust, with a sleek black finish that feels premium. The battery longevity holds up well over several weeks of testing, and the travel case adds convenience for those who travel frequently. I haven't interacted directly with Braun's customer support for this product, but the brand generally has a strong reputation for addressing inquiries and warranty concerns efficiently. If you're weighing options, other high-end foil shavers may offer similar results at a slightly lower price, but the Series 7's combination of features makes it a standout. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, the Braun Series 7 Electric Razor delivers on performance, comfort, and versatility. It's particularly suited for men with varied beard density or those who want the convenience of wet and dry shaving. The precision trimmer and travel case are thoughtful additions. For anyone serious about an efficient and skin-friendly shave, this razor is a solid investment. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this product is in the comments or description box. If you've used this shaver, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.